Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Nissan Sentra hood. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged. It's also crucial to turn off the engine completely before proceeding. This simple step ensures your safety and prevents any unexpected movements or hazards while you're working under the hood. Taking these initial precautions will make the entire process smooth and secure for you. Let's get started. Now let's find the primary hood release. This lever is usually located on the driver's side, down by your left foot, close to the door sill. It often has a small icon resembling a car with its hood open. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a distinct click, indicating the primary latch has disengaged. This action will slightly pop the hood open, but it won't fully release it yet. You're doing great. With the primary latch released, walk to the front of your Nissan Sentra. Gently lift the hood a few inches. You'll feel some resistance. Look underneath the slightly raised hood near the center for a secondary safety latch. This small lever or tab needs to be pushed or pulled to the side. Once you locate it, slide it to the left or right and the hood will fully unlatch, allowing you to lift it completely. Almost there. After the hood is fully open, locate the prop rod, usually attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole to securely hold the hood open. This prevents it from accidentally falling while you're working. When you're finished, remove the prop rod, lower the hood gently until it's about 6 to 8 inches from closing, then let it drop to latch securely. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Always ensure the hood is fully latched before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.